let's get ready to make some money. What's going on, everybody? And in today's video, I'm going to be giving you a 3-ticker update. Yes, I said it, a 3-ticker update, with that first ticker being NVDA, of course. And as you all know, we just recently crossed our $130 threshold. And next stock we're going to talk about here in today's video, and that is PLTR. As you all know, we do have a short-term $47 price target here in Palantir as well, if you have been keeping up with the channel. Also, we're going to take a brief look at DJT, which we did recently just break our $18 price target. And if you are a part of the Discord, then you know we do have a $24 price target here for DJT as well. So with no further ado, let's dive right in. But before we do so, don't forget to consider joining our Discord server so you will not miss out on home run plays like you see here today. A GRI was alerted at 5 cents, and we hit our last price target on that thing. New price target set for 11 cents. And we take a brief look and just check out the price action on AGRI this morning. As you guys can see here, we actually hit our 11-cent price target, ran as high as 11.4. As you guys can see here, again, from our 5-cent PT, that was over 100% in gain. Not only that, we also did hit our LASE price target. As you guys can see here, it was alerted today for the entry price of $5.22. Price target being $5.75 plus. We hit price target after price target, as you guys can see here. If we take a brief look and just check out LASE, as you guys can see here, LASE is currently sitting at $7.52 after hitting a $8 high again from our alert entry this morning of $5.22. But it doesn't stop there. VERB was also shortly alerted right after at the entry price of 4 cents. With that price target being 6 cents. And if we take a brief look and just check out VERB here really quickly, as you guys can see here, this price target has also been reached and breached on the day, running as high as 8 cents. In fact, ladies and gentlemen, 8 cents was our second PT for VERB, and as you guys can see here, that has also been smashed. So again, if you do want to be a part of our Discord server so you too can get all of my alerts in real time, all you have to do is stop what you're doing, drop down in that description below, click that Discord link, and activate that free trial and let the gains begin. Now, with that being said, let's dive right in. First stock we're going to talk about here in today's video, ladies and gentlemen, and that is Nvidia. Now, if you're currently holding Nvidia, I let everyone know we do expect a upcoming buyback plan. And the reason being, ladies and gentlemen, because Nvidia currently fits all the bills that they have when they did actually perform those past buyback plans. As you all know, the first buyback plan, 2019, they did actually buy $2.3 billion worth of stock back. The recent one that took place in 2001, what they initiated, guys, they bought back over $15 billion in shares, which means we do expect to see even a higher buyback plan initiated. The reason being is because Nvidia has more cash on hand. Not only that, since the AI boom has came into effect, Nvidia does, and we all do see the potential growth that Nvidia actually has. Not only that, Nvidia actually initiating this buyback plan will actually get the ball back rolling to the upside. Not only that, that will show critics and shareholders that Nvidia is not overbought, especially if they're willing to put money where their mouth is and buy shares at this price. I do expect for Nvidia to cross those $170 levels here before the year is over with, ladies and gentlemen. I do feel as though that we're going to see a Q4 AI boom. If we take a brief look and just check out the day chart here really quickly, as you guys can see here, that mid Bollinger Band break bounce, we challenge the upper. So look, guys, we're above that upper here today, so we do expect some retracement here pretty soon. We're currently overbought here on that Bollinger Band, and we do not like that at all. In fact, if we do take a brief look and just check out our PCD here really quickly, we do see a massive number of holdings are profitable, exposing the potential risk of buying high. So we do expect to see that retracement back towards those $124 before we make our next leg up towards those $150 levels. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, if you're currently holding NVDA, you are in the right place to be. Next stock we're going to talk about here in today's video, of course, and that is DJT. If you're currently holding DJT, Let me know in the comment section below by commenting the ticker symbol. Now, if you were a part of our Discord server, then you too did catch my DJT alert in real time. In fact, ladies and gentlemen, I first alerted DJT in our major buy alert section for the entry price of $12.40, with that price target being $13.50 plus, labeling this a swing. And if we take a brief look and just check out our next price target, which was reached and breached, as you guys can see here, we go to the 24. We alerted this thing here on this day, guys. We alerted it on the very day this thing has turned around, okay? Second price target was actually set here on DJT. As you guys can see here, new price target, $18, which I announced over in our Discord server back on the 30th. As you guys can see here, new price target is $18 plus. And as you guys can see here, we reached and breached that here today. And I also set a new price target for DJT set at $24 strong. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I do feel as though that those $24 levels will be reached and breached here this week. So if you're still holding DJT from that alert, expect a 100% gainer here pretty soon. Now, we're currently overbought here. If we take a brief look and just check out our interpretations of indicators here really quickly, aka our cheat sheet. As you guys can see here, day chart, we do see a early warning signal here on the 60. Early warning signal as well here on the 1 minute. Not so much. We're starting to lean towards it, but I do feel as though, ladies and gentlemen, after reaching and breaching those $24 levels, we do expect a retracement back towards those sub $20 levels to find ourselves in a consolidation state. So with that being said, buying here at these $21 levels, you do expect to get a nice swing, but you may want to rinse and repeat once we retrace back towards those sub $20 levels. Okay, so again, if you're currently holding DJT, I want to know in the comment section below if you guys want weekly updates on this. Well, daily updates. Let's see if we can get 20 comments that is DJT, but we're looking for that $24 PT, then a retracement after that. Last but not least, we're going to talk about our beloved PLTR. And again, this thing has been on fire. If you have been keeping up with the channel, I'll let everyone know Palantir is the great alternative to Nvidia. Yes, Nvidia is a totally different company, but with Palantir being in the AI sector, not only that, but the reconstruction of a few government contracts, which we do expect to hear this upcoming quarter, ladies and gentlemen, is only going to set this thing moving to the upside. Not only that, just looking at the previous quarter trajectory after hearing of that earnings report, ladies and gentlemen, if we take a brief look and just get those interval stats, and if you're still here with me, can you please drop in the comment section below the words "still here with you, Obi?" But since the last earnings report, the stock has rose over 65%, and we do expect to hear even a better earnings report due to the recent government contracts earned. And like I said before, we do expect to hear some reconstruction on those past government contracts due to all the conflict that has been going on. Not only that, the demand of AI is only getting stronger and stronger by the day, and these AI companies need defense in their corner, and a company that can keep up with that type of what do they call it, cyber defense, Palantir is the way to go. Not only that, ladies and gentlemen, Palantir has a huge presence in the aerospace sector as well. So with that being said, this thing can only grow. The demand is only getting much more higher and rapid as the days go on. If we take a brief look and just check out their financials here really quickly, as you guys can see here, they're getting stronger quarter over quarter. Their expectations is getting higher quarter over quarter. With that being said, this is a stock that you do not want to miss out on. And I do feel as though that $47 levels will be reached and breached here this week. So with that being said, I'm going to let you guys go, and may the gains be with you.